This is Steve Scales with Fibonacci Retracements. Today is May 17th. We're going to look at a daily chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. As I stated before, Dow Jones Industrial Average went into a correction mode after we ran up to 11,258, so we was looking for the correction. We came down, went into the downtrend, went into a high volume day that the Dow sold off, and we went to 9,869. As I stated before, we will probably be more than likely trading within that range. 11,258, 9,869, and what we're basically doing is we're sitting here and we're trading within that swing point. Right now the Dow Jones Industrial Average bounced off of 9,869, went to 10,920, and we started to pull back from the 10,920, doing another correction phase, heading lower. So right now the slow stochastics and MACDs, we're going to take a look at those. The slow stochastics and MACDs right now are still on the negative side of the chart, as you can see. We did go down, and we did get momentarily oversold into the RS, into the slow stochastics, to the slow stochastics 20, which is the area that's really oversold, and that's where you should look to start buying. So we did get into that area right here. We bounced, and as you can see, went off to 9,869, bounced to 10,920. Went back positive in the MACDs momentarily, then went back negative. So right now what I'm looking for from the Dow Jones Industrial Average is that we could be setting up, as I stated before, to go back and get back into 10,965 swing point and retest that area. Volume, as you can see, has been getting lighter since the high volume bar day here. Volume has pretty much been drying up since that day. As you can see, getting smaller and smaller. We did have a spike in volume here back on one of the down days, but other than that, volume has been drying up, meaning that a lot of the selling is going away out of the market for now. So pretty much we're still looking to see if we're going to get back into the 10,965 swing point, and we'll be watching the slow stochastics and MACDs. Personally, I think that this market is just doing a correction, and I still state that we're in a bull market, and we just did a bull market correction from 11,258 to 9,869. Now if we break down past 9,869, I'll put a price axis up, but other than that, so far we're just still in this trading range from 11,258 to 9,869, and that was a couple thousand points almost. So we'll see how we hold up here. This is Steve Scales with Fibonacci Retracements.